Dear student, in this video, I am going to share the conformations of polysubstituted cyclohexanes. In previous video, we already discussed about the first conformer, that is the 1,3,5 trimethyl cyclohexane. Now in this video, the next molecule, that is 1,135 trimethyl cyclohexane, we are talking about the different conformers of this isomer, and these are the remaining examples or these different points that we have to cover under this section. So these 7 molecules we have to discuss. So today in this video, I am going to share with you that is 1,135 dimethyl cyclohexane. So this is the structure of 1,1, third position and fifth position. So there are 4 methyl groups at 1, 3 and 5 positions. So with respect to that, the 2 stereoisomers, one is cis and another is trans. In cis isomer, you can see here that 3 are dotted, that is this 3 CH3 molecule, this CH3 groups are on the same side while one CH3 group is on opposite side. So this is the cis molecule, cis isomer. In this one, the stereochemistry of the remaining 2 methyl groups, that is trans. So here the remaining these 2 methyl groups are on the same side, therefore it is cis compound, while in this structure the remaining 2 methyl group, that is number C3 and number C5, these 2 methyl groups are on opposite direction, therefore this is the trans isomer. Let us start with the cis isomer. So draw the stereo structure of cis isomer. So these 3 methyl groups are going in the downward direction. So 3 equatorial groups and 1 axial group. So this is the more stable conformer. The 3 methyl groups are equatorial while 1 methyl group is axial. So the axial methyl group, there are 2 Bitten-Gauge interaction. This is first Bitten-Gauge interaction and this is another Bitten-Gauge interaction. So overall, there are 2 Bitten-Gauge interaction. This is the flip structure of AEEE conformer, which is denoted as EAAA conformer, and this one is highly unstable structure. The reason behind it, 3 groups are in an axial position while only 1 group is in equatorial position. So this structure is more stable conformer. Of course, this one is the unstable conformer. So the equilibrium arrow shifted towards AEEE conformer. So the energy of this molecule is as 2 Bitten-Gauge interaction, therefore 2 into 0.92, that is 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Now you can see the isomer or the conformer, which one is more stable. With respect to that, we have to talk about the optical activity. Now as this conformer is more stable, so you can see the plane which is passing from the C1 and C4, there is plane of symmetry. Therefore, the molecule is optically inactive. So this is the stereo structure or the orientation of this cis molecule in all the direction. So this model is called as a space filling model. And this one is the ball and stick model. Now, the next compound is the trans compound. So in this case, the C3 and C5, these two methyl groups are having the opposite stereochemistry. Therefore, it is the trans isomer, and the name of the conformer is this axial group. Then this one is equatorial, this one is equatorial, and this is A. So this is termed as AEE conformer. When we flip it, it gives the same two axial bonds and two equatorial bonds. So the energy wise, these two are equally populated. In this structure, as two axial methyl groups are there, so with respect to this two axial methyl group, this methyl group causing Witten-Gotch interaction with this C3 hydrogen, axial hydrogen, same this C3 axial hydrogen causing the Witten-Gotch interaction with the C5 axial methyl group. So for C1CH3 group, there is one Witten-Gotch interaction. At the same time, this C5, again there is one Witten-Gotch interaction, and there is another SYN13 diaxial interaction, that is in between the C1CH3 and C5CH3. So this is the energy calculation for the molecule. The total energy of this as C1CH3H, one Witten-Gotch interaction 0.9, same C5CH3 hydrogen interaction, that is 0.9, and C1C5CH3CH3 SYN13 interaction, it is SYN13 diaxial interaction, it is 3.6 kilocalorie per mole. So total energy of this molecule is 5.4 kilocalorie per mole. So if we compare with respect to the cis molecule, the trans molecule is unstable as compared to the cis. Now the optical activity of this molecule, trans molecule, so it, as there is absence of plane of symmetry, therefore this molecule is optically active and hence it exists in DL pair. So the overall conclusion of this molecule, or this that is 1135 tetramethyl cyclohexane, that cis isomer is stabilized by 3.6 kilocalorie per mole than the trans isomer. That cis can be converted into trans by using this reaction, that is palladium and He, that cis converted to trans one. So for this, you go through these books. These are the references I have mentioned over here.